I believe a future so bright we have to wear shades, cause I believe in Marissa Harlot with my beautiful daughters, us and Kiwi, by daddy's side. Good morning, Pakistan. Thank you, Marissa Harlot. To the end of time, because she was fighting my beautiful when I had to pick up the awful pieces. The best food inspired me with the music, dancing, and Hollywood spirit. Yes, it is Marisha Harlot, kicking on obstacles as only as we can with the sons of liberty, true north of Red Sea, family, community, peace, love, happiness, believe in each other, no matter the circumstance, no matter the weather. Yes, indeed, July 8th. This is Marvel time with Deborah, Hernan, and I. Thank you, love you, appreciate it, thank you. We're so proud of that because we alive, baby. In the baby, Deborah, love you, appreciate it. Because yes, indeed, it is Hollywood, and you know it's all about the positivity of believe. Love you all, and I appreciate Marisha Harlot. One song started a revolution, and now we're here dancing by the bang bang. Because yes, indeed, we are Marisha Harlot is in bang bang. Love you all. Thank you all. Hope you had a beautiful day. Good morning, Pakistan. Let the sun shine. Let the love lead. Because you know me. I'll be there anytime you need me. 99 858 6158. Alla Wakaba, instant Allah. I'll be fortunate enough, lucky enough to meet Marisha Harlot someday. So thankful, grateful, appreciative in every single way, heart and soul. This is who I be. So I hope you've been entertained, and I hope you know I love you all. Appreciate you all. Stay strong. Your hard work, perseverance does pay off. It just takes a lot of drama and bullshit to get through it. Thank you all. Love you all in every single way.